Hey guys, it's Pam. How are y'all doing? I've had a lot of new people join, and I just wanted to say hello before the tutorial starts for this sign right here. This is a new sign that is available in my Etsy shop, and it's at a special price for the next couple of days. But in case people were joining and did not know who I was, I wanted to come on and introduce myself. And depending on where you're seeing this, if you're in Pam's Wood Treasures painting group, and this is where you're seeing the video, be sure when you check out that you use the discount code, and it's in the featured section above, right in the top. And if you're seeing this video on my business page, make sure you're over in the painting group, all right? It's free to join. You get a discount code, plus you'll get the special pricing, all right? So, or you'll know first about the special pricing, or know that that is a special price, right? So be sure to join the painting group, and starting June 1st, I'm going to start going live again and get back into the swing of things now that we're moved in about 98% settled. I can breathe now. So anyway, the tutorial is going to start right after this, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all have any questions, please put them in the comments and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. The tutorial is going to start right after this, and I will see y'all in the next one. And welcome to my painting group. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you found us. Stay tuned. I have a lot of super cute projects that are coming up. I've been cutting like crazy. And yeah, so thanks for being here. Here is your tutorial.